Hello, welcome to my channel Maison Network. Today I just bought this new item, which is I want to recommend you. But before that, let me show you what's the problem with this thing. Why I bought this? Because of I don't like to have this yellow hose because it look ugly with this. It doesn't look nice. So I have to use it before because of I don't have the connector for this. It doesn't connect actually when you use the universal screw like this. It doesn't really fit, and then after that it will easy to come out. So what I use this the connector, very cheap, and it fits with all the hose, the round diameter. So this is only 3 ringgit 90 cents from Shopee. If you like it, you can buy. You can have the URL to buy. Link will be below the video, and this is it, only 3 ringgit 90. Okay. It shows here 18 to 32 mm. Okay, and this one you can remove if doesn't fit. So you can remove this. Just press this out a bit. Okay, put it aside. Now I'm not sure what's the purpose of this. Maybe, I don't know. Okay. Okay. There you go. Then it will fit with this. Okay. What about the other half? The other one. Like this. Let's try. Oh, it fits away. See? So that's what the oh, okay, means need to add on the I don't know, there's something here, the ring that we have to add on because of it's very long. So I'm going to put this back. Okay, that's it. I just want to recommend you because of I tried to search for the connector quite so long, and then I use this thing, but I change it to other way. But then the problem is when it spills water, you see. So because of it's not correctly the diameter is not correct, so the connector, this one is the best. Okay, thank you for watching.